go with body line. Yeah.
They cover the bumper and only the lip, and that's fine.
所以这个宽度现在最后定的多少？3个 inch。
上面还有3个。
那你这块的缝怎么办呢？最后？
这一块。
你说他说出来3 inch。
你最后这块的缝你怎么搞的？啊？最后这块的缝你准备怎么搞？这块的缝。
就这样了。
哦，这的缝。
对啊。
这缝过得去吗？
过不去，但是那它就成阻力了。
过不去就下场的时候贴起来。
这必须得贴，我觉得。
没必要，我那也是这样的。
啊。
lip 都有缝，很少有特别严丝合缝。
关键是它这个前唇底下是平的，唯独前面这有点尖儿。
就是不过气儿嘛，这个地方。
你看这个
对啊，
飞吻还是有点问题。
你这个劲儿，这就很好了。
200块钱儿，知足吧。
你看看咱那个，我操，这就很好了。
能站上去。
你问问他。
哎，这个真的好漂亮。
对。
You could. It will crack, but that's a bumper because it's mounting on the bumper. But I think you could, but I wouldn't try, but I think you could.
Okay.
There was 2 bolts on this lip in the middle. They were not aligned with those that already on the bumper. I don't know why, but there's kind of a groove in it to put those. So I add the drift nuts in the bumper so those can be bolted on the bumper. And then I put spacers to prevent it to jam when I'm tightening the nut underneath. So everything that's underneath is 10 millimeter bolt, so you can remove it like that. You can ratchet it or a key.
One here.
Yeah, there's a 7, 10, so yeah, the front are just to prevent going down, but it's really strong. Like I told you, I'm pretty sure maybe more you than me. I don't know. We're pretty much the same way, but I think we could easily put 100 down on it.
你就别站了，要我说，实在不行你让柠檬姐站吧。
This is. I think it's solid.
Yeah, it is. Really, one of the most
solid
speeder I can install, honestly. Because it used to be bolted on bumper, and nowadays bumpers are just like it's more adherence than really strong and impact resistant. So it's not they're not really solid. But mounting like this with brackets, single piece bracket that or bolting on the frame, that really solid. That's making a difference. So like I told you, those in the front are just to prevent going down for the look, but if I didn't have to put those there, it would really work. And there's I can show you brackets underneath the kind of splashboard. You don't see them, but it's like bolted over here, and it's preventing the side to go down too. So it's really solid.
Can you raise the car? So
yeah, you can raise it.
So
there's one that's going like behind the side intercooler, and this one you can see it here, bolted there, and you have a small one that's in front. And there's no bracket, just the rev nut into the bumper in the front. Like I think right here you could truly like hold on it on. It will work. That's it.
the test. Okay.
我觉得讲了，你可以再拍它掉下来的。
你可以给我拍张照吗？
我在期待着。
你手机呢？我拿你手机。1、2、7。
哎呀，哎呀！
等会儿再来。
帅呀！啊！
等会儿，等，先着地，给你找好脚。好。
1、2。
看镜头。好。
这就不用站上了。
No Photoshop。 信还是投币？
正品的就这么设计，投币。
为什么呢？
我估计是因为这里可能会有气进去。
这不跟你说吗？
不是完全包。
aerodynamic。
他怕你这堵上直接刮下来。
所有一切你不能理解的东西都是 aerodynamic。
可以。
就是这个东西玄学，解释不了你就 aerodynamic。我还让他量着来着，是否超过 bodywork 15厘米？他说还早着呢。然后我在想，超过15厘米那是有多夸张？
你现在是包内带，
给你的。
OK，thank you。
这是什么包装？哦，
拆下来全部。
哇，还给你塑封上了。
高端啊！
高端大气上档次。
交钱了没有？
对你赶紧给人家转一下吧。要来了吗？
你说还是响啊！太响了！你也找我，你也捡起来了，直接把车捡起来了。
Ducks? Haven't you possibly know anything about the ducks? Like a cocaine.